special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 7 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles southeast of Winthrop Harbor to near Montrose Harbor to 29 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.